Find the domain of given function. Domain of given function. How can now our motto, determine domain of given function. F of x is 1 upon under root x square minus 9x plus under root 12 minus 4x minus x square. Okay, so if that part is greater than 0, it means x square minus 9x is greater than 0. So x into x minus 9 is greater than 0. Okay, so if you make here x here, first of all, if you make like that one, minus infinity to 0 in union 9 to infinity, open interval. So represent like that one. Okay, after that, look here, 12 minus 4x minus x square is greater than equal to 0. So if you multiply minus, then equality are changed. So if factorize, then we got x plus 6 and x minus 2, okay, less than equal to 0. So basically, what about x? That one minus 6 to 2, close interval. Okay, so our motto, domain of that function, basically for which value of x these two are defined. So using line curve method, making this one and this one making here. So common part of these two, simply that part, minus 6 to 0. Okay, and that 0 is open interval. Okay, so minus 6 to close domain is domain of that function is close interval minus 6 to 0, that is open interval. I hope so clear.